Welcome to AGORACOM Talks, your weekly go-to source for the best small-cap headlines. For over 65 million investors since 2007, we are moving at breakneck speed today. 5 major headlines, some really head-turning drilling results, and efficiency breakthroughs that are just changing the game.
It's a high-velocity lineup, for sure. From titanium all the way to biotech, the theme today is, I think, doing more with less.
High grades, high efficiency, and high impact.
That's it.
All right, let's jump right in with PyroGenesis Inc. on the TSX, ticker symbol PYR. The headline here is a big market validator. PyroGenesis delivers second titanium powder order.
And it's not a small one, a full ton of titanium powder.
Full ton. And this is the interesting part. It's what they call off-cut powder.
Right, which is, basically the stuff that would otherwise be waste. In advanced manufacturing, particle size is everything. If it doesn't fit the spec, it usually just gets tossed.
But PyroGenesis has proven they can take that so-called waste and sell it for things like 3D printing.
Exactly. CEO Peter Pascali said this, and I'm quoting, "Validates the market opportunity, reduces waste, and helps to safeguard critical mineral supply."
It's turning a scrap heap into a revenue stream. Simple as that.
And that's exactly what you want to see for margin expansion. You're not just selling the prime cut, you're monetizing the entire animal.
Okay, let's turn to gold. Nucor Gold Ltd. over on the TSX Venture, symbol NCAU.
This one is big.
The headline is, Nucor Gold encounters first visible gold at Inchi project. And the grades. They hit 147.5 grams per ton gold over 1 meter.
Yeah, let's just pause on that. 147 grams. To put that in perspective, a lot of big open pit mines are profitable at 1 gram per ton.
It's a massive number.
But the key phrase here really is visible gold. When you can see the metal with your naked eye in the drill core, that suggests you're tapping into a really high-grade feeder system. It just completely changes the potential of the project.
The CEO, Luke Alexander, notes, these results continue to confirm the high-grade potential that exists across our Inchi Gold project.
And they're not missing. It's something like a 98% hit rate on this whole program.
Incredible. Sticking with drilling, but let's move to copper. C3 Metals Inc., that's CCCM on the TSX Venture. Headline, C3 Metals intersects high-grade copper-gold mineralization at Khaleesi.
And they had a pretty nice stretch, 51.1 meters at 0.86% copper equivalent.
Which included a sweet spot of 18 meters at 1.85%.
Yes, but what really matters here is the porphyry signature. Porphyries are the giants, right? They're these massive copper deposits. And C3 found high-temp sulfides and visible gold, which are like geological signposts saying, hey, you're getting really close to the heat source.
So CEO Dan Simons says the discovery could vector us towards the heat engine. Precisely what we want to see.
It's exactly what you want to see.
Okay, shifting gears, let's talk tech. Nextech 3D.ai on the CSE, ticker is NTAR.
Right. They are trying to clean up the absolute fragmentation you see in event technology.
The headline says it all. Nextech 3D.ai unifies event technology platforms with launch of AI-powered operating system. They're merging a few different companies, MapD, Eventdex, and Krafty Labs, into one single platform.
Which just makes sense. If you're trying to sell to a Fortune 500 company, you can't have them using 3 different logins for 3 different apps.
It's all about integration.
Exactly. They're calling it a semantic brain. They've added BitPay for crypto payments. They're building one ecosystem to make the whole process simpler.
And stickier for the customer. CEO Evan Gappelberg says they are simplifying workflows and improving how event data is captured and utilized.
Makes sense.
Okay, last one. Let's look at BioNX Solutions Inc. on the CSE, ticker BNXTT.
And this is where that efficiency theme we talked about, well, it could actually save lives.
The headline is incredible. BioNX demonstrates 40% higher drug delivery with sublingual cladribine for multiple sclerosis. 40% higher.
It's a staggering improvement in what's called pharmacokinetics, basically, how the drug moves through your body.
So how are they doing it?
They're using a sublingual film. It's a little strip that dissolves under your tongue so it bypasses the stomach and liver entirely.
Which means better results with potentially less drug and fewer side effects.
That's the idea.
Yeah.
And the CEO, Hugh Rogers, confirms this provides strong scientific justification to advance into human pharmacokinetic studies.
This is a direct shot at the billion-dollar Mavenclad market.
It absolutely is. A needle-free, swallow-free alternative with 40% better absorption. That is a very serious competitive advantage.
So when you tie it all together, whether it's PyroGenesis monetizing waste, or Nucor and C3 finding that high-grade core,
or BioNext making a pill 40% more effective, the through line is efficiency. The market is rewarding companies that do more with less.
So that's the question for you and your portfolio this week. Are you holding efficient operators or are you just holding busy ones?
It's a great question to be asking.
Thanks for joining us on AGORACOM Talks.